Hi guys, we are here at Sandals Royal Caribbean located in Montego Bay, Jamaica. We just checked into our room and I wanted to show you around our room category, which is it's a little bit complicated so I have to read it. Crystal Lagoon Hideaway Junior Suite with Balcony Tranquility Soaking Tub. It's the HJS category if you're looking on the Sandals website under rooms. This room block has been newly renovated, so you'll see everything is brand new and beautiful. It is considered a luxury level room, not a club or butler, so it's one of the standard room levels. I'll show you around and show you what's included. Let's start over here with our room number, which is 10402. Here is a doorbell, which also I'll show you what that does. You have your door lock here. So on that doorbell, you'll see over here when you walk in, because it is a pretty new room, you do have one of these kind of smart buttons. Do not disturb. You can put on for housekeeping, or you can just touch it again to shut it off. And when you walk in, you'll see here's the bathroom. I'll show you that in a minute. And on the right hand side here, we have our main closet. Main closet includes your usual. You have a safe, laundry bag, extra pillow and blanket if you need, ironing board, luggage rack, and an umbrella in case it's raining, which it has been here today. And you'll hear some construction noise in the background. Since I said this is a brand new room category, so they are just finishing up the room block. I'm sure by the time somebody else gets here, it's going to be done already because most of the rooms are done. And over here we do have our mini fridge. Now this is not a club level room, so we do not have liquor included, but we do have wine, beers, water, soda, juices, and you can always call to get that restocked, as well as hot water kettle for tea, coffee, creamers, red wine here. The white wine was in the fridge, ice bucket. Going here, you have a floor-length mirror with all our luggage. Ignore that. On each side of the bed, each person has their own reading light as well as light above with plenty of storage, which I do like. You do have the side tables. Nice king-size bed. All Sandals rooms have king beds. It is resorts designed for couples, but if you decide you'd like to go with a friend, family member, and you don't mind sharing a bed, as long as you just have two people in the room, you can always share. Here we have a desk area with additional drawer space and lighting. And on this side, we have a nice seating area. Now, if we back up a little bit to the bathroom here, this is a stand-up shower, and it is enormous. And on this side, you do have your two sinks with lighted mirrors. And of course, you have your Red Lane Spa bath items. So you have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion, and soap. Little makeup mirror. And a toilet area. And now I'm gonna show you a little bit of magic here, where we can turn this into a see-through window. So on this side of the bathroom, you have here a little bit of artwork with your temperature for your air conditioning, and then controls for your ceiling fans for inside and outside. And then this artwork slides over so that you can see through the glass into the shower and bathroom area. The last thing to show you here is a little bit of our view. We have basically a pool and garden view here. These balconies are huge. And let's see if I can get this door open on the first shot. Nope, try on the second. There we go. And you do have ceiling fan out here, curtains for privacy, outdoor tranquility soaking tub with a towel drying rack. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope this little room tour gives you some help if you are planning to come to Sandals Royal Caribbean in the future in Jamaica. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comment box, and if you don't mind hitting that like button, it helps out my channel. Thanks, bye.